Hi guys! Today we're making bath bombs. We're gonna tell you all of the ingredients.
First, you have to put baking soda.
Yeah.
And then we have to put citric acid.
And then cornstarch and salt. We're gonna start now. Let's start mixing. Why do we need that?
That's for later when they're going to be also the wet stuff.
Oh, it's snowy.
We mixed all the dry stuff with dry clouds, and now we're going to put olive oil.
Yeah.
We are going to put this olive oil here with tiny drops, and then we're going to mix it fast so it will not burst out of here. That's what happened with my mom the first time that she did it.
Yeah.
And she had to vacuum the floor. Now good. But only with tiny drops. And now we have to mix this quickly. Quick.
Don't explode! Don't explode! Before it starts exploding!
Yeah, let it explode!
It already exploded a little bit here.
No, that was when we spilled.
And it smells a little bit coconutty.
No, that's olive oil. I know the smell because I really often have it in my pasta. Hard. Yeah.
Oh, so cute.
So how they stick together, guys? They're magnets.
Yeah. And we're BFFs.
On mine it says best, and on hers it says friend.
Yeah. And we put out
Food
videos.
coloring.
And all you need to write is Adele and Olivia learning videos. And done. Make 2 hour videos.
Watch until the end, and you'll see the cool result.
Yeah.
And let's put this in our bowls, and then put the food coloring.
Yeah. Ooh, yeah. This is so fluffy.
I think flour is fluffier.
Yeah.
Flour is much fluffier. That's fluffier
But
than
it's-
bunny fur. What fluffy? Bunny fur is so. The fun part is you mix it with your hands to make it the color that you want. Like pink is my favorite color.
And it's so sparkly, mine.
Actually,
Mine is sparkly. How about yours?
I already mixed it.
Yeah, mine is sparkly. I love space. It's a little like bluish.
Space is actually black. Actually, we don't know because we haven't been in space ourselves.
Yeah. In the heart video, I made a space heart. First, it didn't look like anything like a space, but then it became space. It was like grayish.
Mine was like a rainbow world. How it looks.
Yeah.
How it looks in a rainbow,
And then-
suddenly there's black monsters coming.
Oh. Oh, but that looks good. And there's green too, so yeah.
Actually, when you mix it enough, the green is gonna go away.
I know.
Look, see, like it did in my pink.
It's okay if we make a mess. I remember something really funny when I was doing a video by myself. Do you know what I said? I didn't say remember, I said benember.
Get this little spoon.
Because I was still small. I was 6 years old.
6.
Yeah.
So big. You're like 1 year older only now.
Yeah, but I was
Almost
like, I didn't know how to say remember. I said benember.
It reminds me of bananas and bumblebees.
Oh, mine looks so blue. It doesn't look like purple, it looks like blue. Looks really blue.
Yeah, and that happened with my little sister's bath bomb mixture too. And when she put purple, it looked blue. I think it's because it looks like almost like a dark blue. I think it is dark blue. I think it's a purple in the end. I think that's dark blue and that's purple.
Yeah.
And with the little taps, the tappity tap dance. Tap clap.
Guys, now we're gonna pour this inside of the flowers.
And it's pink like you.
Yeah. Olivia, these two are mine, those two are yours.
Yes.
Yay! Fireworks!
And guys, and now we made the bath bombs and we're going to put them in the water. But first, before we're going to put them in the water, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Let's start.
Whoa!
I have to put all of it, everything off the plate. Everything.
Let's start mixing!
Should we do it? It's bubbly.
Yeah. I'm gonna put all of it.
Oh my goodness. Everything is bubbly.
Let's swim in it! Ooh. Oh yeah. Ooh, look at that.
Wow. I still have a little bit. Go out. I want you to bubble. It's turning purple.
Yeah! Right, let's mix it.
Because blue and pink make purple. Let's
Yeah.
put this.
Actually, it's blue and red.
No, blue and purple. Actually, it's pink and blue. Hey, let it to bubble because it's going to stop.
Oh, that feels so good.
Don't do it very much because then your hands will... It's stopping. Oh, we want more bath bombs. Oh my goodness, it went purple everywhere.
Oh, it's sad.
Feel it? Don't forget, before you take a bath with these bath bombs, leave them to dry overnight.
Yes. Bye!
See you in our next video. Bye! It didn't explode.
I'm fine. I'm free because of what I'm free from the world.
What are we talking about again?
Put it aside.
He says side.
Watch it to the end and you'll see the cool
What? Result.
yes.
And let's
Could you say that again?